This wheel accessories parts lug nut set offers a full complement of factory-style pieces tailored specifically for late-model Ford Super Duty trucks, so everything matches original equipment in both fit and appearance. The one-piece carbon steel construction avoids the common issues of swollen or cracked caps seen on cheaper two-piece designs, giving more confidence during wheel changes and routine maintenance. Careful machining of the M14 by 1.5 threads and the flat seat design helps the nuts center properly on factory wheels, which promotes even clamping force and consistent torque readings. The durable black finish is more than cosmetic, as it is engineered to resist corrosion from road salt and moisture, helping the nuts stay easy to remove after many seasons of use. Because the set includes enough lug nuts for all four wheels, it is convenient for replacing worn or mismatched hardware in a single job without hunting for extra pieces. Overall, this set feels like a thoughtful upgrade for owners who want original equipment-style hardware with better long-term durability and a clean, uniform look on their truck wheels.